Welcome, friends, to a journey of discovery about one of the world's most fascinating fraternal organizations, the Order of the Eastern Star. Today, we'll explore the rich tapestry of this remarkable order, its principles, and its impact on communities worldwide. The Order of the Eastern Star stands as a beacon of light in the realm of fraternal organizations. It's unique in that it welcomes both women and men into its fold, making it the largest fraternal organization of its kind globally. But what exactly is the Order of the Eastern Star? At its core, it's a social order that brings together individuals who share spiritual values, though it's important to note that it is not a religion. The Order's primary objectives are twofold: to cultivate charitable and fraternal practices, and to maintain an institution that serves its worthy members. Central to its mission is the fundamental principle of membership, an unwavering commitment to aid and assist fellow members in times of need. This spirit of mutual support forms the bedrock of the Order's ethos. Like other Masonic-related organizations, the Order of the Eastern Star employs a rich tapestry of emblems and symbolism. These are not mere decorations, but powerful tools used to teach moral lessons. These lessons serve as guiding lights, helping members navigate life's journey and become more useful, both to themselves and to others around them. What truly sets the Order apart is the deep fraternal bond that exists between its members. This bond is forged through the sincere portrayal of character-building lessons in the Order's ritualistic work. The appeal of the Order lies in the true beauty of these lessons, which resonate deeply with members and inspire them to lead lives of purpose and integrity. Friendship is a cornerstone of the Order of the Eastern Star. With chapters spread across almost all 50 states in the US and in 27 countries around the world, members of this vast fraternal network can find friends and a helping hand wherever they go. This global reach ensures that no matter where life takes them, Eastern Star members are never truly alone. But the Order's impact extends far beyond its membership. Community service is a vital aspect of the Eastern Star experience. Members are encouraged not only to support one another, but also to reach out to their communities. You'll find Eastern Star members actively involved in numerous community-based projects, always ready to lend a hand to those in need. This commitment to service is a testament to the Order's belief in the power of collective action to create positive change. One of the Order's greatest strengths lies in its diversity. The membership of the Order of the Eastern Star is a beautiful reflection of the communities it serves. Members come from all walks of life, representing a wide spectrum of social, cultural, educational, ethnic, and religious backgrounds. This diversity is not just tolerated, but celebrated. The Order recognizes that each member brings unique strengths and perspectives, and these differences are valued as assets that enrich the organization as a whole. Patriotism is another key value instilled in members of the Order. From the moment they join, members are taught the importance of preserving the good of their country and being exemplary citizens. This commitment to patriotism is not just theoretical, but is put into practice through various programs and initiatives. For instance, many chapters organize regular visits to VA hospitals, bringing comfort and companionship to veterans. The Order is also known for its fundraising efforts for programs like the Wounded Warrior Project, demonstrating its dedication to supporting those who have served their country. Perhaps one of the most significant aspects of the Order of the Eastern Star is its focus on charity. As an organization, it tirelessly raises funds for a variety of noble causes. These include providing aid to members in need, offering scholarships to students regardless of their age or membership status, and supporting other charities that work towards improving the well-being of all humankind. This commitment to charity is not just about giving money. It's about making a tangible difference in people's lives and creating a better world for all. The Order of the Eastern Star's charitable work is a testament to its members' belief in the power of collective action. By pooling their resources and efforts, they can achieve far more than any individual could alone. Whether it's supporting a local food bank, raising funds for medical research, or providing disaster relief, the Order's charitable initiatives touch countless lives and make a real difference in communities around the world. It's important to understand that while the Order of the Eastern Star has spiritual foundations, it is not a religion. It does not seek to replace or compete with any religious beliefs its members may hold. Instead, it provides a complementary path for personal growth and community service. Members are encouraged to deepen their own spiritual beliefs while working alongside others who may have different faith traditions. The ritualistic work of the Order is another aspect that sets it apart. These rituals are not empty ceremonies, but powerful tools for personal development. Through symbolism and allegory, members are taught important life lessons about virtue, truth, and charity. These rituals create a shared experience that strengthens the bonds between members and reinforces the Order's core values. As we conclude our exploration of the Order of the Eastern Star, it's clear that this is an organization that offers much more than meets the eye. It's a place where friendships are forged, communities are strengthened, and lives are changed for the better. Whether through its commitment to charity, its celebration of diversity, or its promotion of patriotism and personal growth, the Order of the Eastern Star continues to shine brightly as a force for good in the world. For those seeking a way to make a positive impact in their communities while developing deep, meaningful relationships with like-minded individuals, the Order of the Eastern Star offers a unique and rewarding path. It's an organization that honors tradition while embracing the diversity and challenges of the modern world. In a time when many feel disconnected and isolated, the Order of the Eastern Star stands as a beacon of unity and purpose. It reminds us of the power of coming together in service of something greater than ourselves. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, its commitment to charity, or its emphasis on personal growth, the Order of the Eastern Star offers a home for all who seek to make the world a better place, one star at a time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. So mote it be.